Instead of saying full, what should you say? Welcome to my channel on Let's Learn About English. Please subscribe now. We will be talking about the appropriate words or phrase you can use instead of the word full. Examples. Don't say, my pocket is full. Instead, my pocket is bulging. Don't say the stadium is full. Instead, the stadium is at capacity. Don't say the bus is full. Instead, the bus is packed. Don't say his bag is full. Instead, his bag is stuffed. Don't say the market is full. Instead, the market is bustling. Trust you have learned a new concept from this lesson. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I remain Tutor Abigail. Enjoy the new month and the festive season. Bye for now.